Good morning. It is a great day to do some work on the van. I have all day off, so let's go see what we can get done. I'm gonna go move my dad's truck, pull the van up to the garage. Let's go play a little bit of car musical chairs. Thing I want to get done today, I want to get this little shelf done for the stove. I got these hinges with struts. This is going to sit down in here, and then it will open. The stove will then be up here, and it will close and go back inside the drawer. Now I have to find a piece of wood big enough to fit here. I'm pretty much just have scraps left from the build, so let's see what we can find. Okay, this should work. Now I just need to cut it down to size widthwise. I think I'm gonna make extra and then make it so that part of it can cover here for a prep space. So I'll have prep space, all of my cooking utensils, pots, pans, and then the stove will be up here.
Are you helping Mommy today? Huh? Are you helping Mama today?
Alright, that last clip you saw was actually from yesterday. I realized that I didn't want to put on that stained wood because then it wouldn't match the rest. So I took a trip to Home Depot, got some more wood. I also got some trim and some other items that I needed. So we're going to try this again. Hopefully today we can make some progress. See how it fits. Pretty good. Okay. Now we gotta get these in here and attached. Okay, so at its thickest point, this is about 3 1/4 inches. And this is 3/4 inches. So I need approximately 4 inches from the top. So this actually isn't working because this is hitting here and it's stopping the bracket from going on where it needs to go. So I'm gonna go grab a tool and cut out a little bit of this. Okay, let's try this again here now. See if we fix this issue. Looks like we did. Okay, the next thing I need to do is put a board in here sideways so that I can secure this side to a board. I try and close this, it's still barely getting stuck on this, so I need to take the side of this down just a smidge more. Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully, third time is a charm. Whew. Okay, there we go. Let's try it with this on top. Alright, that's where I'm going to stop for today. If you want to see the rest of the van build, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! If you are interested in some Unwind Outdoors merch, I will have a link in the description below that will take you to my Etsy store. And if you want more Unwind Outdoors content, follow me on Instagram at unwind_outdoors or on my TikTok at Unwind Outdoors.